Well, Grandpa's had another story about he'd go up and tend his garden or ours, and of course there's a lot of good potatoes. And of course in July it attracted them bugs, and they would lay the eggs, and then them little bugs would hatch. And he kind of made a good deal with my two sisters, Catherine and Phyllis. He said, you better help me get rid of these beetles. They lay these eggs, these dry potato beetles. And he says, I'll give you $1 a dozen. Every dozen you can pick up, and you keep count of them and put them in that tin can. And he says, I'll get, we won't have so many bugs. So my sister jumped onto that idea. That was cash money. So, Gory, they started picking up the beetles. And Phyllis got into them bugs that had hatched, them little red plump bugs. And Gory, Gramps said, what's he doing? Well, she just ate a whole handful of them. So they didn't have so many beetles to cash up on, I guess. She just ate a whole handful. Phyllis won't admit to that, but Catherine says she did.